Very good morning, children. This is the video for chapter number 6, HTML editor, textbook book bag exercises. Here I will explain all the question answers and how to write a CW for this chapter. I mentioned the Romans in end of the video. You can write the Romans in CW. Before that, let me explain this quick review section. An HTML editor is a web design tool. It is a tool used for creative websites. Workspace is the place where you can build your web page forms. Okay, in that coffee cup editor we have workspace, primary work area. Using the primary area we can develop our web pages in that sections using placing controls and other objects. Main toolbar contains tools to manage workspace. We are using toolbox to develop our own websites. What are the controls we need? We can place tools from tools box. Elements tab contains custom elements or tags that will be required to build web page forms. Form options tab contains options to change the font's size, color and etc. In elements tab contains HTML elements or tags that will be required to build web page forms. As per our requirement, we can develop our own website using tags and elements in a HTML editor. Okay, so if you don't have any sufficient tools in that options in your when you're developing websites, we can go for elements tab. We can write HTML tags. Form options tab contains options to change font size, color and etc. As per your requirement, your need, you can set your own font colors and its styles in form options. Elements or the tags that will be used to construct a web page form. Elements we can use to develop our own web page. Elements are three types. First one, basic elements, magical elements and static elements. We have variations and various elements in under these three categories. Let me explain the book by exercises of this lesson. Fill in the blanks. First Roman. Children, simple questions are here in fill in the blanks. Let me read all questions. In HTML editor, the place you can build your web page form is, for answer for this question is workspace. Okay, dash contains options to change the font size and color in editor. Form options tab contains options to change the font size and color and etc. You need dash to add titles, checkboxes etc. in HTML editor. Okay, you need dash to add titles, checkboxes etc. in HTML editor. So elements, okay, elements tab contains HTML tags that will be required to build your web page forms. It's not an answer. Okay, you need a dash to add titles, checkboxes etc. in HTML editor. Okay, so tools. Okay, the element used to enter a paragraph is, the elements used to enter a paragraph is, the answer for this question is, let me read the first question. A HTML editor is a dash tool. A HTML editor is a web design tool. A dash contains tools to manage the workspace. Dash contains tools to manage workspace. Workspace elements main toolbar. Answer for this one is workspace. You can give comments using the dash. Plain text, text area, text field, plain text. Okay, so section break is used to dash sections. Section break is used to slide up, merge up and create up. Section break is used to dash section, slide up. The elements that are fixed either at the top or bottom, or the elements that are fixed either top or bottom, we have to find the right answers. So here which elements, we can see answer for this question. Page number 65 about the static elements, page number 64 about magical elements and basic elements. In page number 62, read these two pages and give your answers. You can understand the concepts also. So refer the textbook, read the lesson once more. You can find the answers. Third, match the following. Okay, it's a simple questions, elements and uses. Upload a file. I will give a one answer. You can find answers yourself. Upload a file. Okay, so see the other options in usage. Allows to attach file. Like that you have to match the answers. I hope it's simple. Match the following exercises are there. You can mark yourself. Write the answers and write this Roman in your CW. The first Roman, second Roman, and the third Roman also you have to write. Fourth Roman you no need to write in your CW. Okay, so no need to draw this window. For that, instead of that, you can write seventh Roman. Okay, first Roman, second Roman, third and seventh Roman. Write a class work for this chapter. Okay, so answers are simples and. Fourth Roman, name the ports of the HTML editor. You can mark yourself and give the icons or tabs names from the screen. Okay, so simple. Let me explain the next one. Answer the following. Text area. Text area is used to enter paragraph. Okay, so the element used to enter a paragraph is text area. One of the type of elements that you have unique characteristic is, so see the page number 62 and 63. You can find the answers for these fill-ups. Okay, simple questions are there. I hope you can mark the answers. Try yourself. If you have any doubts, ask me. Next Roman. So for this class of writing, you have to mention the date and chapter number, lesson title, and every Roman heading, and write the questions and give your answers. Give your neat presentation, so handwriting should be legible. Okay, so second Roman, choose the correct answers. I hope you can mark answers. You know all the concepts. For this Roman, you can just write the tab names in that screen. The primary work area, HTML editor. Just look at the text page, textbook page number. You can see the HTML editor primary workspace area 60. Page number 60, elements tab, properties tab, the form options tab, main toolbar, workspace. Okay, and watch my previous videos, and also you can understand about the area of the workspace area, and you can get more informations. Page number 60, you have answers for this question. Answer the following questions. Let me explain the answer the following questions. Simple. I try to give your own answers. Understand the concept first and give your answers. For writing task, why we are giving, you have to get a good knowledge in writing CW. So read the lesson textbook pages and watch the video and start writing your class note. Give your own answers. If you could not find give your answers, you can refer a textbook. Answer the following. What is an HTML editor? A HTML editor is used for create a websites. It's used for create a web pages also. Using HTML editor, we can develop our own websites. That's it. Like that, you have to give your all questions answers. Give your own sentence. Okay, with the real-time examples, it's effective learning, and you can get a good writing skills in English also. Okay, so keep on trying. You will get a good writing skills in English. Next one, answer the following briefly. This Roman you no need to write in CW, but you have to mark the answers where you have in a textbook. Discuss about the static elements in the editor. Okay, just look at the page static elements. Under the static element category, what are the elements we can see? Just look at. Explain the following magical elements: web address, space, list box. I hope it will be useful for your when you work with HTML editor. You can get a good knowledge in all other tools in HTML Coffee Cup editor. Next question, mention any 6 basic elements. Okay, you can write down the mentions any 6 basic elements. Tag, okay, a title, a text field, plain text, number, password. You can give simple questions are there. Next one, brainstorming. In brainstorming area, I expected you have to give your own answers with one sentence. Write any 5 web browsers. Any 5 web browsers: Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. So you can give your own answers. Mention a few HTML editors which you know. Okay, HTML editor, Notepad also you can write, or any other application, just Google it. We have more HTML editors. Search answers and give it answers. Okay, just list down the browsers and list down the editors for these two questions. You can get good knowledge. And the next section we have acronyms. HTML, it's a markup language, hypertext markup language. URL, universal or uniform resource locator. It stands for www is no World Wide Web. Okay, so simple questions or exercises are there. Mark all the answers in your textbook and write the CW for this lesson. First Roman, second and third and seventh Roman. Complete it on time. Don't be defaulters. Submit your works on time. Okay, and I hope I'm expecting next week or this next week for completing of this task. Submit it without fail. If you need more clarifications and you want to clear your doubts, participate and attend the live sessions and get interacted with the teachers. Today's session we will discuss about these chapter concepts and book bag exercises. I will explain once again. You can speak to me, you can ask your doubts.